China's deadliest coal mine disaster in over a decade. Stop building humanoid robots to pour tea and dance. This is where they belong. May 22, 2026, 7:29 p.m. Shanxi. 247 miners were underground when gas ignited. A shockwave at hundreds of meters per second, heat over 1,000 degrees. State media reported around 90 dead. Later figures revised lower. This was no natural disaster. The Liushenyu mine had already been flagged for severe safety hazards. The trigger looks clear, per reports. Ventilation failures let gas build to the explosive threshold. Faulty electrical gear and rule-breaking ignition lit it. Monitoring failed. 3 conditions at once. The blast takes seconds. Carbon monoxide devours the oxygen. Escape time near zero. Worse than the technical failure is the systemic collapse of safety. This high-gas mine had been cited for severe hazards. Alarms and risks left to run. Reportedly fined, penalties shrugged off. Some workers without locator cards. Compliance on paper, danger underground. This tragedy proves exactly where robots belong. Not pouring tea, not dancing backflips, but 400 meters down in the dark, taking over the most dangerous work humans do. Across China, over 370 mines already use 31 types of mining robots. CITIC HIC's blast-proof inspection robots monitor gas at Shaanxi Coal's Ningxie mine. China Coal's blast-proof robotic arms spray and sort in high-dust zones. Shandong Coal has deployed 305 robots, 188 underground. Shandong Energy invested over 10 billion yuan and cut 12,000 underground workers. More striking, embodied AI is entering the mines. Unitree's quadruped robots are piloting underground inspection. Tianchuang put blast-proof humanoids into mine air ducts. China Coal's embodied AI test platform has placed over 1,000 robots across 200-plus mining firms. The policy is set. By 2026, robot replacement for high-risk mining jobs, no less than 30%. Note, these aren't humanoids. They're rail, wheeled, tracked, and quadruped special robots. They don't need to look human. They need to sense, decide, and work 24/7 in high dust, high humidity, low light extremes. 5 years into mine intelligence policy, the key mining robot R&D catalog names 5 categories and 38 directions. But technology isn't replacing humans fast enough to outrun the accidents. 90 lives say it plainly. Fewer people, safer. No people, safest. Not a slogan, a bottom line. When a robot can go down, no human should gamble their life.